Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to review another ratchet from Facom. Now I have already reviewed similar ratchet in 3/8 drive, but I like that ratchet so much, so I decided to buy another one in half-inch drive. In Europe, half-inch ratchet drive is used more often in automotive industry, whereas in USA, the 3/8 drive is used the most in my opinion. Of course, it also depends on application, but half-inch drive is the most preferred drive overall here. In this video, I'm gonna show a brief comparison between this ratchet and the other best brand in the market with different lengths so that you guys can see how this Facom ratchet worth every penny. This is the package style of Facom ratchet. The part number of this ratchet is SXL171. Some information on the packaging such as length of the ratchet, with and without extension, warranty, etc. Let's tear down the package and see what we got here. The ratchet comes with this shiny chrome plating on it. The handle material is two-component design. Red part is a hard plastic and the black part is a bit softer, made of elastomer, which is highly resistant to grease and chemicals. End of the handle has hanger hole to hang the ratchet. Facom is stamped on the red part and direction indication to release the telescopic mechanism is stamped in red. I like the way it is designed. It's a beautiful piece of tool. The handle is a bit bulkier but very firm and comfortable in hands. It does grip very nice. Facom logo is also stamped on metal, which is good since it will not fade away with the time. The part number of ratchet is also stamped on the shaft, which is nice. Direction lever is significantly big, but it is very well recessed and not protruding at all. And changing direction is smooth and easy. Even with the gloves, there will be no problem. It's a non-locking articulated head design. The flex is very nice and firm and not floppy at all. Flex head can be tightened on the Allen screw when it gets floppy with the daily use and abuse. The head is pear-shaped and it is kind of small when comparing to other half-inch ratchets. The anvil is 72 teeth design, which is pretty basic, but it is smooth and buttery. Ratchet head is dust proof and it is maintenance free design. In case of failure, you would have to replace the head completely, but Facom offers lifetime warranty, I guess. Now let's look at the telescopic mechanism. You need to pull the mechanism downwards and hold in order to extend the ratchet. It can be locked in 6 different length positions. Ball detent mechanism locks it into the specific length position. The shaft is flat style instead of round shape. This can be beneficial in certain tight situations. The telescopic mechanism is smooth and silky, but at the same time, it has a robust feeling. The length of the ratchet is 30.5 cm or 12 inches when not extended. It can be extended up till 43.5 cm or 17 inches roughly. The ratchet is not floppy at all even when fully extended. I'm impressed with the ratchet overall. Quick release push button again, smooth and seems very good quality. Let's try some socket on it. The socket is locked and will not fall off until you release it with the quick release push button. Very nice feature. What a piece of quality tool, I would say. With all the features like telescopic function and flex head, it is not that heavy and bulky, so it can be used on daily basis without getting hand fatigue. The ratchet head is even smaller than this Hazet standard half-inch ratchet. Just the length is a little bigger due to the fact it is a flex head and extendable design. Okay guys, let's compare briefly this ratchet to all other famous brands of the ratchet with different lengths and see if this kind of telescopic ratchet worth the money. Look at all these ratchets from different brands with different lengths. You can see Hazet, Stahlwille, Gedore, Bahco, etc. on the table. I have put even a 600 cm breaker bar just to give you guys an idea. If you see the comparison here, the Facom ratchet seems to have its advantages due to its compact and multi-length design. You don't need many ratchets if you have this single piece of ratchet. Again, this is just my opinion. Facom is a high quality brand and it will certainly last longer. Okay guys, that's all with the review. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like the video, consider to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.